This is Steve Goshen Crypto. I'll be showing us how to analyze a coin for trade. So today the essence of this video is to show you how to analyze a coin. So now we have been seeing that BTC has been dipping. You can see the price is red everywhere, red, right? So I'll be showing us how to analyze coin for day trading. Of course, I don't use lower time frame. I use what they call daily time frame and weekly, and I go to yearly. Okay, most times, most of the cases, that's what I use. So I'll be analyzing Solana. So right today I'll be analyzing Solana to show you how I pick my trade. Right, let's say I want to pick a trade now for at least for the next 3 to 4 days. This is how I'll do it. So let's go to Sol. It's applicable to both spot and futures. However, if you want to trade futures, there are other considerations to take. There are other things to take into considerations, right, before for a particular trade, so that you don't lose your funds. Right. If you want to know about that, just let me know in the comment box. However, let's go straight into this analyzing Sol. Right, this is the chart. I clear the chart of every indicators, then I come to this arrow here. You can see it has turned the phone to horizontal. Now I can start picking lines. I have a line here already, so let me just say I'll pick a line. Let me pick this line that I have. Okay, this is a price line. You can see price on it, right? So let's pick this line also. You can see this a horizontal line, so we'll start with it. This is a critical support axis. A support is a place where the price tends to get rejected. If the price breaks support, it tends to go down further to the next support, but most times it gets rejected at support and goes back up. So this is it. I've placed one support line. This is a support line, right? So I'll turn the line green. This is it. So the line is now green. So I'll bring it to just know which price. This price is this support line. We'll put this price line on it. So we know that a critical support point is 116, right? Currently it's trading at 136. So let's pick another horizontal line and get our next support. So it's advisable not to draw so many support and horizontal line, many support and resistance line. Rather, it is advisable to have just 3 to 4, right? So you can see now. I didn't tell you something earlier. Like I said, I use the daily time frame. You can see the chart is on 1 day time frame. It is on 1 day time frame, right? So you don't need too much of analysis backward to the history, except you just want to check the trend of how coin has moved over the years, over the month, right? So I'm using a 1 day time frame, and I'm trading this for 3 to 4 days. This is what I would do for a day trade, right? This is it. Okay, now let me pick another resistance point that is relevant. So I try to pick the points that are outside. So let me turn this to this color. Okay, there's another local support I'm seeing, and this is it. I'll make it green. So let's see where that one is. Okay, you can see it got rejected at this point. It got rejected at this point. So most times I use rectangle for support. So this support and resistance point. So this standing as a rectangle. These two green line at the bottom stand as a rectangle. So the price can go in between. All these in between these lines. Can cross the line. Can go in between. And to be safe, I have a control zone. This is a control zone. This is my control zone. You see, this is my control zone where I can buy any coin. I will buy the coin when it gets to that level. That's my control zone. It's a support that I think will not happen, but in cryptocurrency, you don't assume that it will definitely happen if you think it will not happen. So this is it. So after picking this, I can decide to move this upward. So I don't think this support line is relevant for me. Only to take profit. That will be relevant only when I want to take profit, where I just shifted the line. Okay, so I'll also draw trend lines just to show how it has been moving. I'll try as much as possible to make this video short. So this is it. This is one point where it got rejected, right? So I like making lines green. I like seeing greens. Okay, I'll pick another trend line. Oh, this is gone. So this is it. One point where it got rejected. I can decide to bring it to this point just to show you that it's an actual resistance and support. Let's go. I'm seeing an M shape. Let me not use that. So for those who want to learn about how to trade cryptocurrency, check my contact in the description box and my link to my channel, and DM me. I don't DM anybody. You can DM me, and you can see my Telegram group also. You can decide to enroll for my premium class and get value for your money. I don't see a reason why you trade without the basic knowledge. It doesn't seem right to me. Okay, you can see the way I'm picking these things. So this is a take profit point. However, there are other ways to target take profit, but let's just go. I can see a W shape here. Like I was seeing a shape, an M shape here, but I ignored it. This is an M shape here. So this is an M shape to this place down here. Come back, but I ignored it. Okay, I took out the shape. So I'm picking trend lines. You can see that I'm picking this trend line. Yeah, this is definitely another resistance, and I'll put it line there. Right, you can see the way I'm going about with my trend lines. So this is a support. Like I said, I use a rectangular support, and most times I can just decide to bring it down to this place. And I hope you get value from this video and improve your trading. It will really help you a lot. And if you want to know more, just hit me via my social media contact. So there are many scammers using my name. However, if you really want to learn, you should do your due diligence. Make video calls to verify the person you are talking to. You will see the picture and the face will be the same. The scammer will not do that. Okay, I'm taking out these lines that I've drawn before. Okay, I hope you can see that the support and the resistance, so this will be able to influence my trade decision. Now, like I said, I'm going to put another line here, so now I will be telling you what I deducted from this analysis. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like the channel, share this video, and make sure to consider enrolling so that you learn one-on-one class, and my premium class is quite affordable. So I'll be picking that trend line here just to give a holistic view. So you can look at this box here to see where you're pinning it. So this is it, right? This is it, right? You can see that that most times when you get to this point is a rejection point. This point here is a rejection point. This and that rejection point. This a rejection point. Then it does not come to that place for a long time. So this is a multiple days support. This support is very strong. So when it comes down to this particular place for the first time, that is around 92 to 98, we take quick long trade and it gives us quick profit, and at the same time we target the profit, we take our profit because it might come back there again. But however, this has been the recent multiple day support. You can see this line here 116 and beat above it, right? So I will not take any trade and profits and on safe zone at this 136. Most people will take the trade. I will advise people to take this trade only for spot at this level, right? It has not even hit any of the supports, right? Even the upper level of the support, right? So but if you hit it, you can start buying your spot from there. However, for more patient people, you can start buying some. But there's a way to trade spot. I call it DCA, and you will not mind even if you buy at this rate, you won't mind because you would have splitted the money, let's say $100 into 5, and you buy the first $20 at 136. Let's say it hits 116, you buy another $20. It hits down to 90 something, 95, 92, and you buy another $20. That's how you buy to average your entry. So let me put a price line here so that we know what this price is. So once it comes, it kicks in. So at this place, I can set at 96, at 98. It looks impossible. I can set a buy limit for 50x for futures, and if you hit it, boom, bumper harvest. Yes, because the support will react and it will go back up. So I also like putting an anticipated line for profit. So like I said, most times I take for futures, I take 70 to 100% ROI, right? If you want to know all that, you can message me. The link to my channel should be in the description. So kindly like and subscribe, right? So if I'm taking this trade, like I said, I will take the trade from 120. However, due to recent price manipulations and fluctuations, I advise spots. So I can start taking the trade from 120, futures trade from 127, right? You can see I expect it, and I'll put a stop loss at 123. That's a risky trade. It's a risky trade, but there is no trade without risk. However, for spot, I start buying at 127 using DCA, dollar cost averaging, to 116, if possible 98, but I will set an alarm at 116 and 98 for me to take a future trade. So if I'm taking a future trade, I'll take the first trade at 116. Yes, 116. I'll take the trade between 116 to 118. That's why I'll take the first trade. Then I would put a stop loss at 110. Right, I'll put a stop loss at 110. If it comes down to 110, I'm opting out. The next entry will be at 98. Thank you. I hope you got value for this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe this video, and also DM, contact me if you want to learn. So this is a clean and explicit technical analysis and a sample of what I do in my premium group and for my students. So kindly subscribe for more. Write in the comment box, let me know what you want me to do, what analysis you want, what details you want, what anything about cryptocurrency, because I've been in this space for 4 years actively trading daily. Right, I'm a day trader, but also I've come to understand that day trading is more risky, so I decide to do 60%, no sorry, 75% more of spot trading and 25 to 30% of futures trading. However, in this recent downturn for altcoin, I've been much into spot trading. Thank you.